Hello my darlings, on today's video I'll show you my new dress form. It is adjustable dress mannequin. I'll show you how to put together this lovely dolly and how to put together, how to enter your own measurements on a doll and how to create a torso pattern. I hope you will enjoy this video and thank you for watching. I'll show you how to adjust this dress mannequin. My mannequin has 3 circles at the front, 3 on each side and 3 at the back. Also my mannequin has like a circle like tool here which adjusts measurements on your neck and on the shoulders. So I'll show you how to adjust the mannequin. It is quite easy. So these circles, you have kind of pressing point there, which you press down and then you just adjust it to the measurements what you need. Ta-da! Very easy. So now I'll show you how to create a torso pattern. So I have just 2 pieces of scrap fabric and my pen cushion and a pencil and the scissors. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe, like my videos, I'll appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much. Love, Anita.